Hey folks, and welcome to another video on the channel. This is going to be a very short video where I simply want to show you a small piece of functionality within Google Sheets that I discovered earlier today. And simply put, this allows you to translate the values of cells into different languages. So I'm going to give a very short demonstration of this just now. So if I type in bonjour, not bonjour, so bonjour into that one, then we'll put in vgates in there just as a simple example. The formula is simply equals Google translate, open bracket, select the cell, comma, and then in inverted commas we type in the source language, so what the language is that is in cell A1 at the moment, which is French. Now we put in the 2-letter ISO code for the country. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Close the quotation mark, comma, and we put in the again the ISO code, the 2-letter ISO code for the language we want to translate into. So we're speaking in English, so we'll put EN for English, and we'll close bracket. So that's the formula. Equals Google Translate, open bracket, the cell we're translating, comma, the source language, comma, destination language, and then close bracket. So that takes a little second to load, and you can see there that that's translated bonjour in quite nicely. Now if we were to take the EN and change it to the German one, which is DE for example, we can translate from French into German. So just do that example again. Equals Google Translate, translate, and you can see the text it gives you there. Translate text one language to another. We know what translate does. Source cell this time is A2. We're translating from German this time, and we'll translate again to English. So vgates as how are you, or how are you doing. That'll load and it translates that absolutely fine. Now we can nest that formula in another formula, for example proper, uppercase, lowercase, whatever it may be that we have to do. But yeah, that's the small piece of functionality I just wanted to show you this morning. Now with regards to the country or the language ISO codes, how would you know those? I would typically do something like this: ISO language code 2-letter, something to that effect. And if we take a look online, we can actually see that Google's recommended a page here that looks pretty good. So we'll just click into this one just now, and we'll just take a look down. So you can see we have the language codes in there. So you know, Danish, English, American, EN for English. So that's how you can find the ISO codes there. So hopefully that's helpful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thanks again for watching.